Hi, in this video I'm going to explain exercise 6.1 chapter 6 linear inequalities question number 17 to question number 20. Solve the inequalities in exercise 17 to 20 and show the graph of the solution in each case on the number line. Here we need to find out the solution set. Along with that we need to draw a graph on the number line. See, when we draw a graph on the number line, here you need to know about two things. That is, suppose, let us say that you have here x is less than 3. If x is less than 3 means 3 is not included. In that case, first we represent a number line like this way, positive numbers, negative numbers, and in between we have the values like 1.1, 1.2. So this is a number line. If the value is x is less than 3, that time the 3 value is not included. So we represent that by using like this way, that is hollow circle you have to use. Whereas suppose if you have here x is less than or equal to 3, in that case you have to use here shaded circle or you have to use here solid circle. So that is the way of representing a solution set on the number line. See, if we have here the 17th problem, 3x minus 2 less than 2x plus 1. So here bring x term together and the values together. So 3x minus 2x less than 1 plus 2. That is x is less than 3. X is less than 3. Now let us take a number line where we have here plus infinity and minus infinity. In between we have the values. X is less than 3. That means from here we have to start the number line representation. That is, it will go up to minus infinity because we don't know the end point here. And x is less than 3 means 3 is not included. So that's why I am representing here a circle. That is a hollow circle I am using. Suppose if it is less than or equal to, then you have to shade that circle. Then you have to use a solid circle. So solution set is minus infinity comma 3 and this is the number line representation. And see, I have used here open interval because here 3 is not included as well as we don't know the end point. Suppose if 3 is included, then you have to use a square bracket, that is a closed interval. Now I am using an open interval. Next, question number 18. 5x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 3x minus 5. Again, here bring the x term together, that is 5x minus 3x is greater than or equal to minus 5 plus 3. So which is 2x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Now we need the x value. So divide both sides by 2. So 2x divided by 2 greater than or equal to minus 2 divided by 2. See, in this case, the sign of the inequality will not change because we are dividing by positive number. Then 2 get cancelled. Here we get x is greater than or equal to minus 1. X is greater than or equal to minus 1. See, take a number line. X is greater than or equal to minus 1 means minus 1 is also included. So you can represent like this way. The dot, the shaded area you can use or a solid circle you can use. From here up to where it is, it will go up to infinity, plus infinity, greater than or equal to minus 1. So now the solution set you can represent in this way. That is the closed interval. I am using here closed interval, that is a square bracket. The reason is that here it is x is greater than or equal to we have. So we know the first endpoint, starting endpoint we know here. So that's why I am using a closed interval. Minus 1, comma. Here this is infinity and open interval. That is because here, see, the reason for that is here infinity value, we don't know the end point here. So that's why I am using here open interval, whereas this is a closed interval, square bracket, and this is a parenthesis. Next, question number 19. 3 into 1 minus x is less than 2 into x plus 4. So multiply the values. That is 3 into 1, 3. 3 into minus x, 3 minus 3x less than 2 into x, 2x, 2 into 4, that is 8. So now bring the x term together, minus 3x minus 2x less than 8 minus 3, which is minus 5x less than 5. So now divide both sides by minus 5 so that we can get the x value. So minus 5x divided by 5. See, here I have to change the inequality sign because we are dividing by minus 5. So minus 5x divided by minus 5 greater than 5 divided by minus 5. So minus minus become plus, and here we have x. So 5 get cancelled. X is greater than minus 1 we get here. So x is greater than minus 1 means on the number line you can represent like this way, and here minus 1 is not included. So that is the reason that I have used here hollow circle. I have not shaded this one. I have not used here solid circle. Then the solution set we can represent that like this way, which is a minus 1 comma infinity, minus 1 to infinity. We don't know the starting point as well as end point here. So I am using here open interval. Suppose if it is greater than or equal to minus 1, then you can use a closed interval. Now I am using an open interval. Next here we will see the question number 20. Question number 20 is x divided by 2 greater than or equal to 5x minus 2 divided by 3 minus 7x minus 3 divided by 5. So now for this you find the LCM of these two terms, which is 15. So 3 and 15 we have here. 3 5s are 15. So multiply this by 5. 5 into 5x minus 2. Then here we have 5. 5 3s are 15. So multiply this term by 3. So we have here x divided by 2 greater than or equal to 5 into 5x 25x. 5 into minus 2 minus 10. Then minus 3 into 7x minus 21x minus 3 into minus 3, which is plus 9 divided by 15. Then we get here x divided by 2 greater than or equal to 25x minus 21x, which is 4x minus 10 plus 9, that is minus 1 divided by 15. Now we have to eliminate this 2 as well as 15. So multiply both sides by 15. Then we get here x divided by 2 into 15 greater than or equal to 4x minus 1 divided by 15 into 15. This 15 and this 15 will get cancelled. So we get here 15x divided by 2 greater than or equal to 4x minus 1. Now you have to eliminate this one. So multiply both sides by 2. So 15x divided by 2 into 2 greater than or equal to 4x minus 1 into 2. So we get here 2 to get cancelled. 15x is greater than or equal to 8x minus 2. So bring the x term here. So 15x minus 8x is greater than or equal to minus 2. That is 7x is greater than or equal to minus 2. We need the x value here. So divide both sides by 7. 7x divided by 7 greater than or equal to minus 2 divided by 7. So we get here after cancelling 7, x is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. See, minus 2 by 7, the value of minus 2 by 7 is minus 0.28. So x is greater than or equal to minus 0.28. So that means from here all the values we have to consider up to plus infinity. So here also there is greater than or equal to we have. That means I have to use here the solid circle, not the hollow circle. I have to use a solid circle. Then from here to up to here I can represent the value on the number line. And then see the solution set you can write like this way, which as minus 2 by 7 comma infinity. Here I am using the closed interval, the square bracket, because here in the solution set x is greater than or equal to minus 2 by 7. Or you can write like this way, which is square bracket minus 0.28 comma infinity, and for this it is the open interval because we don't know the end point. So this is about the solution of exercise 17 to 20. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.